And they kick off here. The initial 11 today for the hosts.
Well, it's a back five, but the front three will certainly offer a goal threat. However, to do that, they'll need their two central midfield players to control the middle of the park. It's basically a 5-2-3.
James Maddison. Well, for Spurs, it's all about the victory after being held to a draw last time out against Chelsea. What do you expect on this occasion, Stuart?
Well, it wasn't a game of strong defending, let's put it that way.
Still alive and fisted away. Cunha. Can he get them in front? Well, as we glance at the table, it really is shaping up to be a captivating season, highly competitive, especially at the summit.
Well, what a great title race this looks like being. Yes, there's a long way to go, but it's difficult to split these teams at the moment. Let's hope I'm right.
Oh, that's a super piece of defending. And Alex Scott has news to bring us from the London Stadium. Alex.
It's a goal for West Ham. The score's level again now at 1-1.
Oh, hang on, Alex. Big chance here. And keeping it out.
Well, it's a great chance here, and don't these fans know it?
Delivering it. Well, not away properly. Well, apologies to Alex for the interruption. Just to confirm, West Ham did score in that match, and the match is level at 1-1. Pat Matar Sarr. And back with Maddison. And a textbook interception. Wang Hee-chan. Well, we're focusing on a player who just seems to get better and better, Heung-min Son. What do you expect to see from him today, Stuart?
Well, he's been great since joining the club.
And fired against the crossbar. Sound piece of defending. Really good attacking play. Delivered into the area here. Well, they can't quite take advantage in the end. Brennan Johnson. Well, great read there to intercept. Good through ball. James Maddison. Johnson. And a decent delivery. Still not clear. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. Takes on the shot. Maybe a chance for Spurs here to take the lead from a corner. And over it comes. Cleared away. Maddison must take the lead here. Oh, he's been denied. And they remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
Excellent vision. Maddison. The cut back. The danger not over. And there it is, 1-0. Their efforts have been rewarded. And look at the celebrations.
Well, let's look at this again. He's done superbly well to pick out a teammate here. And then from that sort of range, Son was never going to miss. It's a well-worked goal.
And Wolves get us moving again. Certainly a swift response required after the setback. Just hearing something has happened at the Emirates. Let's find out what. Here's Alex.
It's a goal.
Sorry to jump in. It could be on for them here. And denied by the keeper. Impressive. Throw in here for Spurs. Superbly read and executed. Well, maybe a good position from which to counter. Well, to Alex, apologies for having to interrupt you just then. Just to confirm, Arsenal did find the net in that match. They now lead by 1-0. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. Kulusevski. Now Romero with it. Spurs get the advantage from the referee. He's protecting it well. Oh, but they've lost it now. Encouraging from the Wolves' point of view. Well, it came to nothing in the end. So nearing the break, and Spurs hold the edge. What have you made of their performance to this point?
Yes, they've defended really well all over the pitch. Their work rate...
Now hold on, Stuart, they're in here. Will it open up? Well, possibilities in the centre. Bissouma. Well, lovely work to get past his man. Real chance. In it goes! He's made it a brace for himself. No stopping him, apparently.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And when he gets onto it, he holds off the challenge, keeps his balance, and makes good contact with the ball. That's a top-class finish. Well, he knows his team haven't been good enough in this game, but how does he change it?
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Craig Dawson. Well, the story of the first half has been written. It is half-time now here at Molineux. So much to like about the all-around attacking qualities of Heung-min Son.
Well, what can you say about him today? He's been a real live wire. Full of tricks, great feet and good goals as well. Top stuff.
So back in business here and still reflecting on a dazzling first-half performance by Tottenham. Can he find the right pass? He has time to play it over. It did look on for them, but not to be. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers facing Fulham. Neto. Johnny. Dangerous ball. Threat over for now, it seems. Bissouma. It's with Porro. Really bright looking attack. Could play it in. And in! Oh yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, here it is again, and he's just passed that into the net. That's a very good finish, you have to say. Well, that's not a happy manager. He knows he's got a lot of work to do now.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Right, what's happening at the London Stadium? I believe there's been a goal there. Alex?
Yep, second one for Nottingham Forest. They've pulled one back with 59 minutes gone. The game has been fascinating so far, Derek.
Thanks as always, Alex. And a substitution in the offing. Well, he went strongly into the challenge, and the result is a throw-in. This attack looks highly promising, but really sticking to their task defensively. Room to roam for Wolves on the wing. Cunha. Strength and control, a big part of his game. Sarabia. And the keeper more than equal to the task. And they're making a change. Now sending it in. And the danger's still on. Well, able to survive that attacking push. Now can they counter clinically? Well, they've given him too much space. Cunha. Mateus Cunha. Oh, chance perhaps. What a block! Well, just to point you in the right direction, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's Tottenham Hotspur facing Aston Villa. Could be dangerous. It could be up for grabs. Aware of the threat, solving the problem.
Well, those stats tell you the story. Spurs have been really good today. Their attacking play has been a joy to watch.
And would you know it, another potential opening developing here. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Looking for a teammate. And a goal! He's doubled his total for the day in superb scoring form.
Well, let's look at this again. He's done superbly well to pick out a teammate here, and the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal. Well, he knows his team haven't been good enough in this game, but how does he change it?
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Jean-Victor Bellegarde. Pablo Sarabia. Cunha. Really good build-up, but no end product. Now breaking at pace, potential danger. Really annoying for them, couldn't take advantage. Pedro Neto. 10 minutes left for play. Well, he's given us away. Mateus Cunha. Pedro Neto. Semedo. Big chance. And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best.
Yeah, here's the set-up play. Well, it's a great little back heel, isn't it? And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Well, we've entered the final 5 minutes. Nelson Semedo. Promising looking ball. Oh, magnificent save!
Well, he's just pulled off a great save there. What reaction from the goalkeeper that was.
And time for the change now. Trying to pick out a teammate. Good clearance. Santiago Bueno. Crucial piece of defending. Now the quick counter-attack could be on. Well, the electronic board showing 3 additional minutes. Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Jean-Victor Bellegarde. Cunha. And the referee blows his whistle, and Tottenham are the victors. They get the 3 points from this game. What did you make of it?
Well, Derek, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances. We saw an attack which was always threatening, and they played really well. What a performance that was today.
Well, I think as we reflect on the game, we can say that Heung-min Son will have pleased as manager. Interested to get your thoughts on his contribution.
Well, I have to say, that was impressive. Not just his goals, but his all-round play. He was excellent.